Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all safe at home. This is Abhishek reporting from Bangalore and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to restore your bike helmet. So let's see what things required for that. This is the white spray, the Pioneer Marine copy, and this is the matte black. I'm using these both white and black combination. So this is costed me around 190 rupees each. There are the sandpapers with the two different sizes. One is a 150. One is 150 and one is a 320. You can see here. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm rubbing the surface with the 150 first. And after that I'm going to use 320. So it will reduce your scratches on the surface and it will help to hold the paint for long time. I'm going to restore this helmet, Steelbird half face helmet, and it's been 2 years it's with me. So I don't want to lose this because it's in the stage almost gone and all got scratches and all. So I'm going to restore this, and this is very comfortable to using city rides. Even now also I'm using this for the city rides, and I'm going inside the city, so I'm using this. So I don't want it to look bad now. So I'm going to restore this. So first I'm going to remove this and this so that this visor will come off. Now I'm removing these all stickers now. You have to remove each and every sticker on from the helmet. So guys, I removed all the stickers, you can see, and I want to keep this. I don't want to remove this. Okay? Anyway, it's looking good only. So what I'll do, I'll put a patch on it and I'll bind it. I don't want to remove this. So, and I'm not going to remove this beading also, because if I remove, then again there is a chances of leaking water from this. So I don't want to remove this beading. I'm going to bind tighter on it. So now first we'll sand the surface. Guys, before sanding, we have to do one more thing. After removing that stickers, there will be some kind of gum. Okay, so you need to remove this first, but it's not going. I have a trick, so we'll use that. So this is the diesel. I bought this I bought diesel, which will be there with me only. I use this for washing the bike with the for the chains and all. I clean with this only. So I'm using this on top of this, so it will get clean nicely. Take a cloth, if you have petrol, that is more easier than this diesel. So guys, this is now gone completely. Not with the diesel. I used this knife to remove that because it was not that much clear after cleaning from the diesel also. It was not clear, so I used the knife. Anyway, we are going to sand this, so if it scratches there also, it will go. Don't need to worry. So I have the knife and the flip. So now let's start sanding again. cut this design in the paper. Just fold it, the paper, and we just cut like this. So this will take look like this. So just what we are going to do is just put here, and I'll tape it, paint with the black color. So let's see how it looks. So this is the matte black. That's it for today, guys. If you like the video, please like, comment and share the video, and if you like the helmet, please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.